Based on the provided search results, using topical minoxidil for hair loss treatment in patients with underlying coronary artery disease or heart conditions carries some potential risks that should be carefully considered. 1. Increased heart rate. Studies have shown that topical minoxidil can cause a small but significant increase in heart rate by 3 to 5 beats per minute. This could potentially exacerbate symptoms or increase risk in patients with coronary artery disease or heart failure. 2. Increased cardiac output and left ventricular mass. One study found that topical minoxidil increased cardiac output by 0.75 Lmin and left ventricular mass by 5 gm2 compared to placebo. These changes could potentially strain the heart in patients with underlying heart disease. 3. Fluid retention and edema. While less common with topical formulations, minoxidil can cause fluid retention and edema, which could worsen symptoms in patients with heart failure. 4. Potential interactions with heart medications. Minoxidil may interact with certain heart medications, such as beta blockers or diuretics, potentially altering their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. However, it's important to note that the studies cited primarily involved healthy individuals without heart disease. The risk in patients with coronary artery disease or heart conditions may be higher, but the exact extent is not clearly established in the provided search results. The Mayo Clinic resource states that minoxidil has not been studied in patients older than 65 years of age, which is a common age group for heart disease. Additionally, one source recommends caution and close monitoring by a doctor for patients with heart conditions using minoxidil. In summary, while topical minoxidil is generally considered safer than oral formulations, there are potential risks for patients with underlying coronary artery disease or heart conditions. Close medical supervision and careful consideration of the risks versus benefits are advised. Citations: 1. https hairfreehairgrow.com blog heart condition due to minoxidil. For https wmayoclinic.org drugs, supplements, minoxidil topical route, precautions, DRG 2006-875DPP1. https due-den-cbi.lm.nih.gov PMC articles PMC 38673. 44 https wdravram.com blog oral minoxidil information handout. 55 https qhealth.com blog heart health 2023 010 and the surprising link between hair loss and heart disease.